So for compaction Proctor test, for light compaction, this is the cylindrical mold of 1000 cc. This is the base plate of mold. This is the collar, fixed collar. So this mold is firstly cleaned with any dust or rust, and also grease the surface of the mold. Okay, and then this is the rammer. This is the rammer for light compaction. This is the rammer for light compaction, used for ramming or tampering, used for ramming or tampering, and weight of this rammer is 2.5 kg for light compaction, and for heavy compaction this is weight for 4.9 kg. This is the soil sample of 2.5 kg weight, and this sample is also sieved from 20 mm, 20 mm diameter and 4.75 mm dia sieve. Okay. This is the jar for containing water content. This is the straight sharpener. This is the spatula. For heavy compaction, jar is also same. One jar is 2240 cc for heavy compaction test. This jar is used for heavy compaction test of 2250 cc, and rammer is used for 4.5 kg, 4.95 kg rammer. Okay, so this is the balance. This is the balance for using weight of soil sample. Okay, a capacity of 100 kg maximum, but we use only 2.5 kg to 5 kg weight of soil sample. So firstly, for light compaction test, clean the cylinder and fix with base plate. Clean and grease cylinder all around and fix with this base plate, and also put this cylinder on the solid surface. So this is the solid surface. Here put the cylindrical mold, and then fill the soil sample into 3 layers, and each layer has tampered with rammer of 2.5 kg, and from height 310 mm, that is 31 centimeter, and also for from 310 mm or 31 centimeter, around 20 to 25 number of rammer. So fill the soil in first layer of approx 10 mm height of cylinder. Fill the soil up to 10 centimeter height. Okay, and then rammer, with the help of rammer, tamping this. Total 25 number of flow is allowed for the tamping. now fill second layer of soil sample, that is also same thickness, and again tampered by 25 mm, 25 number of rows. So soil sample is first mixed with water of certain amount, that is 4% of total weight of soil is mixed with water. First sample is prepared for 4% of soil, then next sample is prepared from more than 4% of soil. Now weight the sample with the help of balance, weight balance. Note down this weight 5.5 kg. Mix this sample thoroughly with certain amount of water. Again use 2 malt and a different water content. Again compact the soil in this mold. Again fill the mold in 3 layers of 10 mm or tampered by this hammer of 20. Blow uniformly throughout the mold. Height will be 320 mm and move it thoroughly with the surface of the cylinder. Again, read sample and note down the weight. And this is the ball container for using in dry oven. So fill this sample of moist soil. Weight this sample by balance. This is the oven, hot air oven. Put the sample into oven and maintain the temperature 110 to 105 to 100 10. Okay. After drying this sample for 24 hours, again this sample is weighed by balance machine, and difference of the weight is show the weight of the water container, water content available in this soil. Okay. Again prepare next sample for different amount of water content, that is 8% of total weight of soil. So that much water content is also mixed. Mixed thoroughly. We can also use for heavy compaction. Again weight the sample and note down the weight of this sample. So repeat this process 5 to 6 times with different water content, and also measure the weight and plot the graph between unit weight and water content for the given sample. And unit weight of soil we can calculate by mass by weight by volume. Weight is also calculate or measured with balance, and volume of this cylinder is already given, that is 1000 cc. So by the above relation, rho w by v, we can calculate unit weight of soil for every process for the different water content soil sample. And weight of water content, your percentage water content already known as we used. So we can plot the graph between weight of percentage water content and unit weight of soil, and that graph gives the OMC value. OMC, that is the optimum moisture content, where the density is maximum, so at OMC density will be maximum, dry density will be maximum. And also we have find dry unit weight of soil sample with the help of dry oven method. We can also calculate weight of water. So by observation, we know the sample for sample number, date, source of soil, that is also available, date of testing, mold number also available. So first description is mass of mold plus bait soil in gram. So for sample number 1 to 6, table is 7 here given. So mass of mold plus weight of soil, that is measured by balance. For first sample, mass of mold in gram, mass of weight soil in gram, volume of mold in cc, that is 1000 cc for light compaction. For heavy compaction, this value is 2250 cc. Weight density of soil in gram, that is also measured 5.5 kg. So moisture container. So for moisture container number, that is here mentioned for sample number 1. Second is Mass of bed soil plus container in gram, that is also 90 gram we have measured by balance. Mass of dry sample plus container in gram also. So here for wet soil, here for dry soil. So we have measured this value is 0.68 gram. Okay. So this mass of water in gram we can calculate from subtract this two value. Then mass of container in gram already noted by measured. Mass of dry soil in gram, water content in percentage we can calculate from the above values. Then we can calculate dry density in gram. Okay, so this test is repeated to 5 to 6 times, and for every observation we have to note down these values given in description for OMC calculation, also for dry density calculation. Okay, so now this value we can plot the graph. We can plot the graph for OMC or zero air void line, and also we find the maximum dry density as per equation. So for the different water content, we can plot the graph, OMC graph. In x-axis direction, we use percentage water content, and in y-axis put the value gamma d. Gamma d. So for sample number 1, for sample number 2, here 4%, here 6%, here 8%, here 10% of water content used, and here some unit weight is here, 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 and here. Okay. So plot this graph as per our observation. Okay. So we get the graph is something this type, and we show the maximum value of dry density is at 8% of water content. So this is the gamma D maximum. This is the gamma D maximum, and this values 8% we can calculate as OMC, optimum moisture content. Optimum moisture content. So this is the graph between water content and dry unit weight, and it gives the OMC value as well as maximum dry density. So total number of observation we are taken here, that is 5 number at a different water content, and for every water content we find unit weight of soil, and among these one of the unit weight is the maximum. One of the unit weight is maximum at a definite water content, and that water content is known as OMC. Okay. So for heavy compaction test, also we can use same procedure. So this cylinder is a bigger one for light compaction. So this cylinder is a size of 2250 cc, and all process is the same as light compaction test, and also this is the rammer used for heavy compaction test. Soil sample is also same, but Difference is that the total number of blows is 25, but height of fall of rammer is 415 mm. Okay, so this is the process of light compaction Proctor test for a given soil sample, and also we can determine maximum dry unit weight as well as OMC value, and also dry unit weight and percentage water content by this laboratory test. So also precaution is necessary. So precaution we can consider. So different precaution we have to consider, that is the adequate period is allowed for mixing the water with soil before compaction. The blow below should be uniformly distributed over the each surface layer. Each layer of compacted soil is scored with a spatula before placing the soil for the each layer, and the amount of soil used be sufficient to fill the mold, that is at the last layer of the soil surface should be slightly 5 mm above the top rim of the mold. Okay, and mold should be placed on the solid foundation during the compaction. So this is all about the compaction test.